Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your Nokia G10, at the first you have to go for Play Store, where we have to get Ampere application. So we have to get exactly that app from BrainShop. If you finish download, you can simply open it. And right now when you got on the screen any kind of the notification, you have to accept all of them. And finally, you can swipe, for example, for the right side, where you'll find other theme of the same data, and the temperature we can find in this place. You can find here also other things like maximum capacity, voltage, or for example the build ID. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.